In this video, we're going to take a look at the invalid CID to GID map entry in Type 2 CID font. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jorson, and let's jump into the ring. So this particular error, I have tried fixing with most of my usual methods, and I just can't seem to get it to clear. I tried replacing the bullet, I tried changing the fonts, I just can't get it to pass. So this is a trick that I found. If I go to print production, and then we go to pre-flight, we then select the wrench icon from the Acrobat Pro DC 2015 profile dropdown, and then we search the word font. There's an option in here that says convert true type fonts to CID fonts. So we're going to select fix. We're going to resave our file. We're going to relaunch the PAC checker, and let's test our file one more time. And that appears to clear our errors for that specific font problem. That concludes today's video on how to fix that CID font issue. If you want to join my Accessibility Guide community, or if you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, there's a link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.